Okay, so we're going to use a modular grid, meaning that we've opened up a page letter, and I've gone up to layout, create guides, and I've made 5 rows and 3 columns. Again, if you want to go and make bleeds, you would go to document setup, down at bleeds, and put 0.125 IN. It's just a good habit to get into. And click over here, and you can see that it's converted because the chain is engaged. And facing pages, if you're wondering, means that you'll get 2 pages on the second row here, just like you do in the master page over here. So facing pages, you want that for this. Okay. All right, I have a photo box. I'm going to delete that and redo that one. So image box is right here. Using the grid for organization, I'm going to drag this and put it right there. Then I'll go to File, Place, and on the top here I'm going to search for modes, which is a Photoshop document. And there's my modes PSD document I just created. And then place it in there. Now if you have these icons showing, I'm going to fit the content to frame. Let's see how it's stretched. I don't know if you know that, but I don't want it to stretch. I want it to be proportionate. So fit content to frame, fit content to frame, or frame to content. So it's this one right here. Content proportionate. Get my white arrow, select inside of this, and I'm going to increase the size so that it's cropped nicely. Okay. Not thrilled. So it's okay. But see, again, I'm always working with balance, emphasis, rhythm, and unity. And the thing is that this one seems a little heavy to the left, but this will work for this purposes. Just understand that what I'll need to do next is just create a larger box so that I can get this to fit in a way that I'm happy with. Okay, since I don't have any other boxes, I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to hit Alt and Control. And drag in a copy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to come down to Object Layer Options. And because our earlier video we made different images and we made different layers, I can go and put the eyes out of these and I can decide which one I want to utilize. Preview, there's that. Okay. This one, I don't want all these images to be showing up at one time, so I'm going to right click on this, Object Layer Options, and then I'm going to put the eyes out of the ones that I'm not using. Clicking and dragging this, again, undo, not good, grab it with the blue so that the blue is showing. What I just did is I grabbed it with a quick key that was giving me the direct selection tool. So use your black arrow, your selection tool, the black arrow, click and hold it, and then Command or Control and the Option or the Alt key depending on if you're PC. And you can drag a copy here, right click, Object Layer Options, put this eye out, put that one in, okay. And then I'm going to repeat, click, Control, Alt, right click, Object Layer Options, and with these two, the balance is getting a little bit bottom heavy, so to make a rhythm, I think I'm going to replace these. Again, look, I grabbed the picture, I didn't grab the box. So grab the box. Then it should snap in. Move this over. I grabbed the picture, not the box. There's the box. Move that over. Snaps it in. Okay, dragging a copy again here. Control Alt or Command Option. And right click. Object Layer Options. And I think I only had 4 options here. So I think I'll go with the orange one again just so that I get some sort of a balance. It's not really balanced at all. It's a little heavy to the left, but you get the point. The point is that I'm able to use one Photoshop document and go and cycle through the layers to place images in boxes with the one Photoshop document with multiple layers.